Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can write a better prompt for the VEO AI. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see now, this is currently the VEO AI which I have opened here. So if you want to write the better prompts, like for example, if you are writing the prompts by yourself and you are not getting the good results, so now we have to go to the chat GPT here. And as you can see now, I have used this prompt. So now what we have to do, for example, you have to provide the details to the chat GPT that what you are looking for and what type of video you want to create. For example, I want to create a video on a bike. So what we have to do, I'm going to write the prompt here and the ChatGPT will rewrite the prompt in a better way. So as you can see, I have just provided a random description to the ChatGPT that write the racing bike prompt in a best way for VEO AI cinematic video. So as you can see now, ChatGPT has written the best prompt here. You can read this: a high-speed cinematic video of racing bikes speeding through the winding mountains roads at Glory. As you can see now, you can read this all description. Now we have to copy this all description, and after copying that, we have to paste here, and after pasting that, as you can see, we have to hit the button and the VEO AI will start generating your video. So in this way you can write the better prompt for the VEO AI, and I hope you guys understand this video that how we can do that. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.